Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the 10 coolest fidget toys. I have not personally seen them yet, and I'm really annoyed about it, but whatever. And you might have noticed, guys, I'm in my shed, which is a change. So, let's crack on with video. I can't speak, guys. As you might have noticed, guys, I'm covering up my eye. You guys might be able to see them. I don't know because my eyes are closed. Might open my eyes now, guys. 3, 2, 1. Can't see. Still can't see. I see an Oreo. I have already seen 2 of these things before. I already know what this is. You press that, then the little pea comes out. And that one I know is a cool little thingy. But apart from that, I don't know. What it looks like, an Oreo, some sort of steering wheel thing, a chain, that's probably not a chain. Gears by the looks of it, and a snaky snake, and it's a zip, I can tell. Right, let me open them up and then I'll see what's what. See you in a second. The Oreo interests me the most, so I'm gonna be with you in a moment. So this is the Oreo-like thing. I don't know what it is or how it works, but I'm just Well, I'm guessing it's a magnet. It's basically an Oreo, but yeah. I think you're supposed to do this, but what do I know? But I would probably prefer doing that, because it's satisfying. Alright, one more, good shot. Sausage. Alright. Alright. Yee. I don't know. Alright. Little cool shot. Lovely jubbly. Shouldn't try and eat it though. This interests me. Because as I said, it looks like a steering wheel. So well, that's satisfying. Well, I know I'm taking a school in high school. Oh yeah, I don't know if you realise, guys, but I'm going in high school this year. And oh yeah, the thing that's been annoying my mum for ages, so I've been saying it's nearly my birthday and I'll become 11, guys. So one little last little squeeze. I'm checking this out because I can barely see it. Already I can tell it's 3D printed. Well, you're not seeing me ever again, guys. Bye. See you later. Wow. I was tricking you as expected. Well, it's this, and it just does that. It's a little clicky, like, mouse-like thing, I guess you could class it. It's 3D printed. That's kind of cool. Yeah. The next thing I'll look at is the chain. Hopefully it's not a real chain and it has oil all over it. Oh, I might have an idea what it is. And I'm guessing it's going to be a similar concept to that. And it's just a bit of that. A bit of this and a bit of that. If it is, it won't surprise me. Wait. ASMR. Okay, and luckily, guys, no oily hands. Whippy! This is just satisfying. I thought it was going to be some sort of real chain, guys. This is confusing me already. I don't know why I picked this, but it's just the most visible one, apart from him. But... what? Huh? There's no words to describe this. It's like a flower turning orange to red. I can't describe this, it's that confusing. But I do know it looks like that, or it looks like that. The amount of times I can do this, it is insane. But, yeah. I'm going to put that down before I get addicted to it. I can't see this, so I'm going to pick it. What? Press. Oh, I get what it is. It's like a seatbelt buckle. So that's your little seatbelt. Be safe, guys. Then you do that when you do that. Or how I'm going to use it is this. And it drops out. This is another 3D one. How it works, I don't know. I thought it was going to move up and down like that when you press it. So like when you press it, it would go like that. But no, it's literally like a seatbelt buckle. And it has a half satisfying noise when you click it. Kinda. Alright, next. I'm doing the snaky snake thing. It's confusing me already, but okay. It's confusing me just how to open it. I'm a snake. Alright, see you guys. No, bye. The video's ending. Bye. See ya. I'm a snake. Bye, Snakey. The thing that's going to interest me the most is this. Maybe. Actually, I don't know. Maybe out of those three. I can't speak and I don't know what I'm saying, guys. But another ASMR toy, guys. How lovely. Don't know if you can hear that, but I might do it quicker so it's noisier. I could do this all day, but because I have such big hands, yeah. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Alright, 2 more left to go. As I say, I already know what to expect from this. Because one of my friends has one of these, and all you do is do blop. Oops. Maybe not that one. Is pop. Pop. And it's supposed to be like a little pea that comes out. And it's just supposed to be satisfying. Because you can just like... little face. It is so hot in my shed at the moment, guys. It's actually unbelievable. Right. Tommy do everything 426. Try and open one of these things. But I can't open. Yes I can. Yeah, this is simple. I would try and use this as a fidget cube. Just like... It's hard to explain on how fun and cool this is. So that's a box. This is a box, guys. That's a cube. That's a bed. That's that. Then, yeah, you just keep on doing that. Oh, yeah. You can just keep on... Because I fidget with a lot of things, that's why I keep on dropping it, because I just like... Alright, well that's it, guys. Yeah. Oh, that's a bird having a bit of fun on my shed. That's the end of the video, unfortunately. So they are the top 10 coolest fidget toys on eBay or wherever, Amazon or wherever, for under £5. So yeah, and there's 10 of them, and so there's a good variety. I think my favourite, just because of how cool and cute it looks, is the little snake. My second is my Oreo. My third is the pea in a pod. Well, that's windy. Pea in a pod, if that's what you want to call it. And fourth, this guy actually, my little chain. Sadly, it don't fit on my head. So my fifth is probably this. My sixth is probably this, just of the satisfaction of, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My seventh is probably the zippy. My eighth is probably belt buckle thing. It's quite interesting to see that some of these are 3D printed, because, yeah, it just adds a bit more cool to it. So my ninth favourite is this. Actually, no, my ninth favourite one's this. Just because my hands really struggle to use it. That's cool. Well, my 10th one is this. It's cool because when you do that, it tries to fold up. But the good thing about it is that it does this. That. Ooh. Wow, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe. And watch all my old videos. So boom shakalaka, ding, dong, ding. See ya.